Proseguiamo ora con l'ultimo applauso della serata per i nostri breaker, break dance. Ultimo applauso della serata per Ivan.
Every time you walk by your back, it'll shit. That's real. Want to talk about shit. I spit like a semi-automatic to the grill. Elbow grease and elbow room. Baby, play me, baby, fall down, go boom. Party people gather around, countdown to a pop clip. I'm a kid with the golden on. I'm the motherfucking hot nigga. Pass the blunt. My nigga, don't front. You had it for a minute, but it seemed like a month. Now I'm choking, smoking, hoping I don't coach it from overdosing. Hey kid, walk straight past the album and I got your open. Let's ride.
Ultimo applauso anche per Dario.
Vai Dario!
Remember what old Dirty said?
Ultima fatica anche per il campione della gara, Sandro!
Stop quick, hold the gossip, stop sweating my pockets. I need a hot stick.
Chiude la break dance della serata il Sacco! L'applauso per i nostri breaker Dario, Ivan, Isacco, Michele e Sandro. Ricordo a tutti che la break dance dai 7 anni in su, le prove sono totalmente gratuite.